Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Flipgrid into Canvas. Now for those of you that don't know what Flipgrid is a really cool little app that the students can respond to a prompt using a video, so that way the students can form a more culture in the classroom even though we're virtual. So first you will need to make an account. The account is absolutely free and it's very user friendly. So for example, right here I have a prompt. It's a weekly check-ins. So it's a few things that I'll ask them, like what are some things that went well with them this week, what challenged them, what are their goals for the next week, and so they have one with a video. So what they would do, and the cool thing is that you can do it yourself, so that way they see your responses too. So record a response, and they would record. And the cool thing about this is that there's a whole bunch of different features. So for example, they can add frames. So it makes it more like the media stuff that's going on right now, like with TikTok and things like that. So they can add different backgrounds. They can add other stuff like text and emojis and draw and photos, and they have different filters and things like that. So they can do all sorts of fun things. So this is a cool social media way that you can interact with the kids. And so they would record, then they can also upload videos, so and record their screen, which is really cool. So stop, and then they would hit next. They review it, reviews, and so in case they want to redo it. Then at the end, it asks them to take a selfie, and that would be the frame of the video. So then right here is the name. Oh my God, that's an ugly picture of me, but oh well. So then they would hit submit. Yay, success. Now in Canvas, sometimes this submit button, blue button, doesn't show up, and that's probably because their screen view is so big, so big so that they don't see it even when they scroll down. So how I troubleshoot it is that I will just ask them to zoom out a little bit so that way they can see the complete button. So that's just how Flipgrid works. Now how to integrate it. So let's close this out. So you are in your account. You will need to go to where it says integrations. So here, this is what you'll need: the consumer key and the shared secret. And where you put it is over here. You go to settings in your Canvas, and then you're going to make sure you're in apps. Then we're going to search for Flipgrid. It's right here. We want to add it. So here's where you copy and where you paste your consumer key and the secret key. So I'm going to copy this, go back to Canvas, paste. Then we're going to do the secret key, copy, paste, add to app, and it's successfully in there. Now I am going to show you how it looks inside the Canvas. So we're going to create a new assignment. So we're going to go to assignments, add a new assignment. We're just going to write Flipgrid. Flipgrid. And here you write the directions. Here you set the points. I'm going to keep this as a warm-up. Now for Flipgrid, it is an external tool. So you're going to hit external tool. Now you're going to find it. So it is Flipgrid. Select it. And then your other settings, how many submissions, etc. We're going to save and publish. Now here's where you can edit it. So on my previous one that I showed you, it had the directions right here. You can also edit what's inside here. You can add a picture. So I uploaded a picture of mine. You can upload a picture and adjust it. There's different adjustments right here, however you want it. And crop it, keep it in there. and then you can select from topics. You can link at the title. Right now it's activated, so there's different features right here that that you can set up. So video editing, video comments, attaching a link, view counts, allow students to like each other's students or videos, not students, and that's pretty much it. So once you have all your features that you want, you update the topic, and then they will see it. So now I'm going to show you what the students will see. So we're going to go to student view. Modules. So there's a couple ways where they can view it. They can view it in your modules if you put it as an assignment where they have to progressively do it. Or you can tell them, hey, it's a warm-up. Go to your Flipgrid. I posted a prompt, answer it with the video. And it'll show up right here. And they'll be able to record a response. And the same features will appear. So the same thing that you were able to do, they will be able to do too. And they go to modules, and the same thing is viewed here. It looks just like this. They have the prompt. You'll have your directions here, and they can record the response. Simple as that. And let's close this. Oh, let me show you how the students view other students' responses. So when they are in the assignment and if they haven't recorded yet, then the other responses will show up right here. So that's where they'll be able to comment, like, or view the videos of the other students. So it's a good way for them to interact with each other if you put up little fun prompts for them to do, like a little educational social media type thing. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to me.